from the 941, Braden, Tucker, Florida. Welcome to another episode of the Hip Hop Slot in the Djyd studio. I apologize for the rain, but it's summertime. Also, as a public service announcement, y'all homies and shorties need to get y'all asses out there and vote. Today's guest is Hypelashawty Rosario. She coming straight into the studio from the Bronx. So what's up, Hypelashawty Rosario?
Hey, what's up, Djyd?
Oh, Shawty, it's DJ Djyd.
No, esto es una grosera. J-D-D-J.
Yeah, well, the love train just rolled in, and here's the caboose, too.
¿Quién se piensa J-D-D-J?
By the way, did you work at the subway?
Mierda, ¿estás loco?
'Cause you give me a foot long.
Él quiere decir una pulga larga.
Oh, gracias, Shawty. So, Hypelashawty Rosario, we did this joint in my mobile studio, and we about to check it down. So, Hypelashawty, you want to be the one to press play and drop this joint?
Yeah, but you need to hand me your nasty-ass iPhone, J-D-D-J, first.
Well, all right, then.